Hey y'all, it's Andy. I ain't done a video in a while and well, got a new splitting maul that I need to put an edge on and well, figured I'd bring y'all along for that, show you how I'm gonna do it. Y'all gonna have to forgive the messy shop. It's kind of a catch-all at the moment. Shop, storage building. Cats are using it to stay dry when it's raining at the moment too, and all kind of other stuff, so it is what it is. But anyways, let's get started on this here split. Oh, alright y'all. Here it is. Got us a right nice Tractor Supply special 6-pound splitting maul. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. There we go, it focused. It ain't exactly got a real good edge on it. Unless you count round as an edge. But I done been working on it a little bit and figured I'd do a video on it. So we gonna take this here splitting maul and this here bench grinder that's seen its better days, but it still works and it's all I got. So let me get my here camera set up and we'll get started. All right, y'all. Done showed you what we're working with, so we're just gonna turn on a little bench grinder and start hopefully grinding an edge on this here thing. This will take a minute. Hate to move y'all out of my way. Well, alright y'all. I do believe my little bench grinder's about had it because it ain't even wanting to move really with that thing on there. So, we about to try something different and let me show you what we gonna try. Alright y'all. Got my maul right here on my little bench. Clamped to the bench here. We gonna try a handheld grinder. Don't know how it's gonna work, but we gonna try it anyways. Flip her over. I do believe we're going a little bit quicker at least. Well, we are getting there. I don't know how well the video is going to pick it up, but we're starting to actually get an angle here instead of just rounded to a point, and that's what we're after. We want to actually bevel this down instead of just having it round, so we can get an edge on there with a file. Get back to it. Alright, y'all. Can you tell? We're starting to get an actual straight bevel on here. I still got some more work to do, but instead of rounding off like this, we're starting to get a straight bevel. So, more grinding, yay me. Oh, wait. I think we're getting close, y'all. I think that's about as close as we gonna get with that grinder. Oh, and I just thought of something too. I know all y'all, well not all y'all, but some of y'all fancy knife makers, metal workers that know a lot more about that stuff than I do. I do know that if you heat this up too much, it's gonna lose its temper or whatever it's called, make the metal weak. This whole time, I'm still able to touch this without burning myself. It's a little warm, but as you can see, no burns, no nothing. So, I don't believe, in my own opinion, that it's getting too hot to really hurt it. I have been keeping an eye on it. If it starts getting too warm, I will let it cool down for a second. But, see if y'all can see that nice straight edge right there. Yes, I know it's not the prettiest in the world, but it's a splitting maul. It ain't 24 karat gold or stainless steel. But anyways, let's do a little more touching up on this. I think I can get it a little bit better than what it is without going too far with it. But let's play with the grinder a little more. Oh, and when the screw falls out your clamp, you take a break to screw together your clamp again right quick. Then we'll start playing with the grinder. All right, I do believe we've got a good enough bevel for a splitting maul with a grinder, our handheld grinder at that. But I don't know if you can see that, but it ain't no longer round anymore. It's actually got almost an edge on there. It don't feel like about as round as your finger anymore neither. So now that we got us almost an edge, I'd say that's almost a hatchet edge. Let's see if y'all can get in there or not. Like that. But anyways, now that we got us almost about a cheaper hatchet edge, which I don't believe is too bad with a handheld grinder and a wood clamp, it's time for us to break out the file and actually put an edge on here for real. Let me go get the file, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. Got us our old-fashioned Harbor Freight Special half-round file. Flat on one side, round on the other. I know, it's amazing how they call it like that, right? But anyways, we're about to sharpen this up a little bit, just like we do, or anybody does a hatchet or an axe, anything else. So let's get to it. Make sure you clean out your file and your pants, y'all. It's the only way to do it. All right, I think that about got it. There you go, y'all. Right nice Tractor Supply special 6-pound splitting maul. All nice and sharp. Well, it ain't razor sharp by no means. Don't really want it razor sharp, but I do believe it's about as sharp as your everyday getting used pocket knife. At least for most folks' pocket knife anyway. But can y'all tell that bevel is a little bit better, and we actually got a little bit of an edge on there that actually catches your fingertip a little bit. And I do believe it just might cut something. So anyways, that's gonna about do it for this here video. Before I forget, don't be like me. If you got long hair, tie it up. Don't get your hair caught in nothing. And don't burn your shop down throwing sparks neither. Oh, and can't forget the Casper Cat wants to say hello. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all on the next video.